They are constructing a high-rise here.
What?
They're putting up a high-rise.
Oh, Jesus.
Like it's actually, if you look at the pictures of it, they look much better, a lot better than this building. To be honest with you, it's going to be 15 stories.
Right.
So like phase 1 here and phase 1 on the other side.
Oh, that's what they're doing in the empty parking lot over there?
Yeah.
That's been there for years.
Yeah, it's been there, they said, 50-something years.
No longer safe. Well, I know there was a fire or something in
I think so. I don't really 100% know the details. I know they've had a lot of mechanical failures, like pipe bursts, like before they boarded it up. So.
Wow.
Yeah.
I didn't even realize they were tearing it down until about a week ago.
Yeah.
On the other side of it. Because I usually come down here, so I didn't see this.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, okay.
It's kind of seen its better days, I think.
That's like the Deere Hotel downtown.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the Cromdale. They still haven't decided what the hell they're going to do with it yet.
No. We're
I
hoping
think they should do this to it, personally.
Yeah, or someone should just burn it down.
Yeah. Same thing with the York. I mean, it's closed down, but
Yeah.
tear it down and build something else.
Yeah, I agree.
But I think a lot of, now this is just my opinion,
Sure.
but I think there's too many bars here.
Yeah.
There's 3 right over here. There's 1 right there. There's 2 right here.
Yeah.
Then you go down and you got 2 more.
Yeah.
So you got about 8 bars in a 3-block radius. Tell me what the hell the point of that is.
I don't know either.
Over here you got 2 pubs and a liquor store right beside them.
Yeah, I think that's a little much.
That's a little ridiculous.
Yeah.
I mean, don't get me wrong, like I don't mind the occasional bar, but when you get this many,
Yeah.
too close together, that's too much.
Yeah.
And they've already closed down 2 bars because of knifing, gunplay.
Right.
You know, here, Twilight After Hours is now closed.
Yeah, I read about that.
Because of that stabbing that took place outside the doors back in February.
Yeah.
They need to close down. No offense, but I think they need to close down.